racism in a different
Still?
way.
Okay.
What are you calling on them to do?
Well, to change the policy and to allow us to speak our own language in our own country, in our own businesses.
Yeah, great. Thank you. Get that away. Sorry to rush over the early, but we're just trying to get it on to 6.
I can't.
Done here is show the death throes of that kind of Victorian attitude. And